Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So when we talk of visualization, that is the third tab. Now where we are. There is a date factor whereby you can put dates to your charts. And when you do to click this pencil button and you go to the plus symbol, what happens is this shows you all the charts that are presented in Datorama. So there are bar graphs, bar line tables, pies, maps, bubbles, etc. goals, widget. Then there are interactives like filters, switch widgets, etc. And then there are custom widgets. This is for the geeks among you who want to learn JavaScript and who want to learn HTML, CS, or if you already know, then it is like cakewalk for you. If you already know HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I recommend if you know very good. If you don't know, then you can go ahead and scale up with JavaScript because with JavaScript and visualization, you can do wonders. You can actually do wonders in visualization when you know JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So how do we do these? So what we do is we do a plus. We bring in something like this, which all my surprises are coming up. So what do? Is you get something like this, which is called a status bar, add data. You go ahead and you can select what like anything say social clicks. And if you select it, see this comes up right. This is called a status bar, which shows like you can name it as social clicks. And you can now, this looks pretty simple, pretty ordinary. You can go ahead and you can choose the way you want to. Fixed position is basically it is fixed in a position stickies. So this is called a status bar graph that you can use. This is also a widget. This is called a date widget, which you can pull and you can do. Like you can make it apply to your widgets. And you can work on it. This is a bar graph pie chart. All these are available. Like when you go to pie chart, you create a pie chart. There are options like donuts. So it becomes a donut or a pie. And then it gives you the options because a pie chart basically shows you the share of something, right? The share of how much is the share of one component in the chart. Likewise, you can do area charts and do all sorts of things. Okay, so the next. The next is a goals widget, which you can choose a goal and the goal type. And you can choose the measurement that you want to see the goal for. And you can see that there's this goals widget. There is a donut chart that you can create that I already showed you. There's something called a bubble chart that you can do. Then there are geographical charts, which you can use your country. So this is a code-based chart, okay. This is a code-based chart or this is a code-based chart, but a code-based chart will also be specific. It is also specific. It is like if I'm looking at this chart, then this is also a specific chart whereby you write the codes. Then how will you connect everything? So there has to be some filters or anything, right? So what you're doing is in JSS, you are basically declaring the values. Now, if you want everything in a single chart, then you need to have a toggle option or something like that, which basically will do it. Or else what you can do is the native charts provide us with one option called switch widgets. So switch widget is basically your dimension. Like, there are switch dimensions and switch measurements. So what will happen is in your switch dimension, if you use, what will happen is your measurement will be the same. Now the impressions are showing up as part of country code, then it will toggle up as media by. Same with which measurements. What it will do is your dimension will be, say, country code. And your measurement changes from impressions to clicks. So yeah, what I'm aware of, and things are JavaScript based charts, which in JavaScript you can do wonders. And you can choose from the various, like if you know the coding part of it. And these charts, if you want a performer of these charts to be used, and if you are wondering that, how will I get an idea? Or how will I get this source codes as well, which you need to modify when you bring into Datorama? You will get them from highcharts.com. Okay, so you can go to highcharts.com and you can. Okay. So you can go to highcharts.com and you can get the charts over there and you can basically filter out whatever you want. Okay, from highcharts we do get the source codes as well, which we need to bring into our data stream. And we need to bring into our data stream, and we need to customize it according to our needs. Okay, so this is how your dashboard will be when you do it. It's a brand new dashboard. So you go to edit, it's a blank, completely right. So let me customize my data because I know I have much data from 17. Okay, now let me take a status bar first and maybe I'll add impressions. This shows me the overall impressions. If you have a filter that you want to add to this, you can go ahead and add a filter based on your. So this is my impressions. This is my overall impressions. Alright. So what we need to do is now. This is my overall impressions from all the data streams that are coming in. Now what do you need to do is you need to go and add a filter in this filter type data stream. And then you will get something called list of, not list of, equals and stuff. So over here, if you choose a data stream which has impressions, not aware of the names. I'm very bad with names, but then let me check this. Say suppose total connect for is what I'm interested in. So what will happen is it will show the impressions which are pertinent to the data stream. Total connect for, okay. Now you can pretty much go ahead and do your editings and your creative part of the creative part of yours. You can show up over here. You can add a background, color and stuff to your dashboard. And when you are in your widget, if this is your widget design, you can go and choose a design and like Fill some colors maybe. Oh, that looks pathetic though, with the color that I have chosen. But you can very well go ahead and choose for yourself, okay? So then comes the next part. Let me discard it. So that's how you do it. Then you go to a bar chart. You add some data. You add like say impressions, and here you take what country. Maybe not sure if country will give me data. Oh, nice country code. Nice number of countries. Number of countries may be campaigns. So basically, whatever you think as a dimension that you want to see the data for, you can. So this is nice. So whatever data stream you want to choose in here and whatever impressions, and always go with the filters because filters will help you to get the required data stream for which you want, right? So that's how you add widgets to your data and when you want to add a custom thing. What do you need to do is you need to choose the custom feature. This is the custom feature whereby it helps you to give you the page header for the. This is basically nothing unless you're creating a button. So you go to your page header and you do the custom. And then over here, if you do a plus, you need to. This is where you fetch your libraries. So people who are not aware of it, please read JavaScript and stuff. So, and people who are aware, you know that we need to drag in libraries in JavaScript. This is where you drag your JavaScript libraries. And then this is your JS code, this is your HTML, and this is your CSS where you create the create wonders basically. So yeah, so that's about visualization because visualization has nothing much to be explained. It is pretty much self-explanatory. Go ahead and explore, and I guess you'll create create visuals. And people who create great visuals. I've seen people creating terrific visuals for themselves. I've learned some of them, but then there is more to explore. Go to highcharts.com, explore highcharts.com, see the source codes and create wonders. So that's it from visualization side. I guess visualization we don't have much to spend time on. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.